Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most advanced TVs Samsung has ever released, the massive 77-inch Samsung OLED S95F, the 2025 model. If you're searching for a premium home theater upgrade with true flagship performance, this might be the one that sets the new standard. Right away, this TV stands out with Samsung's NQ4 AI Gen3 Processor, which is built to enhance clarity, color, and motion in real time. It uses deep learning algorithms to analyze each scene and upscale everything, whether it's cable TV, streaming, or gaming, into sharp, vibrant 4K quality. The result is picture accuracy that feels natural, crisp, and incredibly lifelike. But the real showstopper here is the glare-free OLED panel. Samsung engineered this display so reflections practically disappear. Whether you're watching in a sunlit living room or a bright office space, the screen keeps colors rich and black levels deep, without that typical glossy OLED glare. For HDR, the S95F features OLED HDR Pro, enhancing peak brightness and contrast so highlights pop and shadows look detailed instead of muddy. Paired with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, you get a cinema-level audio-visual experience right at home. Gamers will love the motion Xcelerator 164 Hz refresh rate, giving buttery smooth gameplay with ultra-low latency. Whether you're on PS5, Xbox, or a high-end gaming PC, motion clarity stays incredibly stable, even in fast-paced scenes. Samsung Vision AI also steps in to optimize sound, picture, and brightness based on your environment. Plus, Alexa is built in, giving hands-free control for switching inputs, adjusting volume, or searching content. If you want premium OLED quality, anti-glare performance, and next-level gaming features, the S95F is absolutely worth considering. Don't forget, full product link is below. If this review helps, make sure to subscribe for more daily tech breakdowns.